Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make smoothie easy guide. Start by selecting ripe fruit, a liquid base, and any add-ins like yogurt or spinach. Measure portions to maintain texture and balance. Use frozen fruit for thickness or fresh fruit for brightness, and add a sweetener only if needed. Blend on medium speed to combine, then high for a smooth finish, and taste before serving for final tweaks. Choosing ingredients makes a big difference for flavor and nutrition. Start with a base, milk, almond milk, or juice, then pick fruit that complements each other, like banana with berries. Toss in a protein like Greek yogurt or protein powder to keep you full, and add a handful of greens for color and vitamins. Keep sweeteners minimal, and remember small amounts of salt or citrus can brighten the overall flavor. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipe videos. Quick recommendation: if you want more time to enjoy smoothies, try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-free cleanups and voice control convenience in the kitchen. It helps keep countertops and floors tidy so you can focus on blending. Check the description for the link and deals, then now let's get back to the video. Texture is what makes a smoothie feel satisfying and fresh. Pour liquids in first to help the blades move, then add soft ingredients, frozen fruit, and any powders or seeds. Begin blending on low to chop, then slowly increase to high for a silky result. If the mix is too thick, add a splash of liquid. If too thin, add frozen fruit or a few ice cubes. Taste and adjust for sweetness and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.